Now we are programming ESP32 are working or not using a Blink program. What is this setup means? This is default setup for Arduino IDE. First we need to initialize a data. Here we have GPIO pins like GPIO pins in ESP32 used for input and output configuration. Only we can use using these we can blink on a LED. For that we need to write int LED 2 means we configure a LED. LED means is second pin. Okay, we can also write a different like hash define LED 2 story. This is a macro. Okay, after that in void setup we need to write what is that. We need to write pin mode. Okay, where M is capital letter. Okay, pin mode we need to write LED, which is the output or input pin. We need to transfer data outside. So output pin mode is output. Okay, this is finished here for which we are selecting LED output. We can directly write 2 also here. After that in loop we need to repeat some configuration, right? That's we need to write digital write. Every times it is write that loop, it will be loop, right? LED, that means second pin. What is what you have to do, like high or low, it is need to send high data. We can also write one also. Okay, for high and low we need to like give us some delay, that is delay 500 milliseconds. Okay, can also write 1 second. This is like 1 second delay. Same since digital write LED low. Okay, give a delay of 1 second. We completed program. First then we need to compile the program. Okay, these are general warnings only, so no need to fear. Okay, now we need to check like ESP32s are connected not. List DU32. I didn't connect it. Okay, first we need to connect ESP32. This is ESP32. Here I am connecting micro USB. Okay, I connected. It will show a light small LED which will be blink it is connected or not. Okay, after that we need to arrange a resistor and LED, kilo ohm LED. The LED is connected from GPIO pin to anode of the LED. Okay, I connected LED. Here in LED check the longer head is anode, shorter leg is cathode. You can also check by here is the anode, only the base length is shorter and cathode base length is higher. You can check by using LED also. Okay, now I am connecting anode to the resistor. Okay, I connected. Do you understand? Here pin 2 GP pin 2 resistor one end and resistor second end to the anode of the LED and anode cathode to the ground, where is the ground pin is connected to the ground. Okay, now we can all I will show this configuration in this website also. See, same program I have written here. Okay, here the configuration how I set. See, this is ground, G and ground. This is ESP2, that means pin number 2. This is anode, the resistor is connected to anode. Here cathode, Okay, connected to the ground. After I will start the simulation. Okay, I think wait a minute. Yeah, see, the program will be same, will be loaded in real world also. I will show you that one. Okay, now we are written, I connected, and now we will upload the program. Yeah, it's connected, it's uploading the program. Program is uploading right now. Yeah, it's done now. Now check the real world program. See, the LED is blinking 1 second and 1 second off, 1 second on, 1 second off. Okay, the program is success. Please subscribe and please subscribe for next video. Thank you.